Hi, Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor, and today we are talking about posture, and specifically I want to talk about proper sitting posture. So I'm going to do my best to demonstrate proper sitting posture for you guys and point out the key things to be paying attention to when evaluating your workstation or a place that you sit really often in your home or in your office. So you can see that I have a chair here with a back. So first thing is to sit back all the way in the chair. And you're going to wanting to be looking at a couple of different things. You want your hips to be at a 90-degree angle to your knees, and you want your knees to be at a 90-degree angle to your ankles. So for me, this chair is a little bit short, so you can see that I put a book underneath. So that gets me about to 90 degrees, just a little bit shy. So I'm also sitting back in the chair, and then we have our shoulders nice and relaxed back and down. And then if I had an armrest that I could adjust, I would want it at about this position, 90 degrees here at the elbow, with the shoulders nice and relaxed. And then if we have any kind of headrest, we want our head back actually resting on that. I find oftentimes we don't use headrests and we don't actually use the back of the chair. I find that people tend to creep up on the front of the chair, or they tend to slouch and be sitting more on their tailbone or sacrum, which creates a lot of stress on the lower back. So this can help you stay nice and supported. Everything is neutral, and it can make you less tired, more productive, and feeling less stressed. So hopefully you found this helpful. Dr. Jen Andrade, the Active Persons Chiropractor.